Can an LLC pay for health insurance? Yes, an LLC can pay for health insurance, but how it works depends on the LLC's tax classification and the number of members. In a single member or partnership style LLC, premiums paid for owners are usually treated as personal income and deducted on the owner's individual tax return. For example, if your LLC is taxed as an S-corporation and you own more than 2% of the company, the LLC can pay your premiums, but the cost is added to your W-2 income. You may still deduct it on your personal taxes, which helps offset the expense. LLCs with employees can offer group health insurance as a business expense, and the premiums are generally deductible for the company. The key is setting up the right structure so payments are handled legally and tax benefits are maximized. Zen Business can help you set up your LLC and choose the right tax selection to manage benefits like health insurance. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.